guys, what's up? Welcome back to yet another show of Just Be Beautiful Season 2. So I'm talking really softly today. That's because I'm in my balcony right now, sitting here and just enjoying the breeze. It's 2 a.m. in the morning, and I was just not getting sleep, and I thought let's just stand in the balcony for some time and just enjoy the nice breeze, because otherwise it's so hot during the day. Since it's lockdown, there's not really too much work and there's no need of getting up that early. Guess what I saw right now? There was a beautiful white owl on the lamppost right opposite my building. So guys, my today's video is a very special one because there's also a natural kind of paint that I've created. So basically it's incense, which you all must be knowing, dhoop, which is called in Hindi, and the painting that I'll be doing today will have a tinge of a little bit of the incense, and I just hope it turns out well. It just turns out the way I thought it should be. So let's go straight into it.
If you like my video, give me a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe. Until we meet next, it's all about being